Count mentally 60 to 1, reverse counting. Count mentally 60, from 60 to 1. Now, slowly open your eyes, come to standing pose. Simple arm movement, Tadasana variation. Feet together, arms by the sides. Slightly drop your chin. Eye should be focused 3 feet away. Now, from the front, raise your arms. Inhale, raise your arms from the front. Exhale, drop your arms. One more round. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, drop your arms. Do it on 4 times on your own. While inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, drop your arms. After 4 times, now from the sides, inhale, raise your arms, palms together. Exhale, drop your arms. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, drop your arms. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, drop your arms. 2 more rounds. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, drop your arms. Last 1 round. Inhale. Exhale. Now, second practice, just watch. From the front, raise your arms, inhale. Drop your arms, exhale. From the sides, inhale, raise your arms. From the sides, drop your arms, exhale. Ready? Second practice. From the front, raise your arms. Drop your arms, exhale. From the sides, exhale, drop your arms. 3 more rounds. Inhale from the front. Exhale, drop. From the sides. Exhale, drop. 2 more rounds. Front. Exhale, drop. Sides. Exhale, drop. Last 1 round. Front. Exhale, drop. Sides. Exhale,